MabPlex is located in the medical park of Yantai Economy and Technology Development Area. The plant covers a total area of 12 acres, with a building area of about 250,000 square feet. The main building includes large-scale cell culture suites, purification suites, an ADC drug conjugate suite, and a cytotoxin synthesis suite in compliance with US, European, and Chinese GMP standards. It also holds advanced research labs for biologics, quality analysis, and testing labs, and a GMP-compliant warehouse center. MabPlex provides engineering cell line services, including vector construction, cell transfection, clone screening, and cell bank preparation. By utilizing an array of high-throughput screening methods, such as ClonePix2, we are able to obtain high-yield cell lines in very limited time and perform stability tests and process scale-up evaluations. MabPlex has completed a media manufacturing suite with a maximum yearly productivity of 100,000 liters. The upstream process development department implies high-throughput microsystem and small-scale bioreactor culture processes in performing scale-up from 5 liters to 500 liters. Per customer needs, we provide process development services by using batch, fed batch, and perfusion technologies. The downstream process development department provides services for protein purification process establishment and optimization, purification process scale-up, and formulation optimization. MabPlex currently has 2 independent large-scale cell culture lines, which include disposable bioreactors from 200 liters to 2,000 liters. 2 independent downstream purification lines feature advanced equipment. Both the design and operation of these production lines are strictly enforced under GMP regulations of USA, Europe, and China. MabPlex has successfully established one-stop R&D and manufacturing service platform for ADCs and have implemented all sizes of coupling reaction kettles to satisfy customer demands for preclinical research, clinical trials, and commercial production of ADCs. The aseptic filling line provides our customers with liquid or powder vial filling from 2 milliliters to 50 milliliters under GMP standards. The QC department provides stable and reliable quality test results and is responsible for testing and releasing final products. It also constantly monitors the clean areas and utilities. It includes instrumental analysis, physical and chemical analysis, and microbiology laboratory. The Quality Assurance Department is responsible for the establishment of organization-wide quality system, employee GMP training, the release of the raw materials and final products, organization, execution, and approval of the validation process. In order to enhance our robust IP protection system, MabPlex has established closed IT system, restricted email system, client privacy protection system, client code system, etc., to ensure maximum protection of client interest. MabPlex values employee quality improvement as a top priority. Our multiple tiers of employees have gone through strict training processes. MabPlex strives to be your best global partner for biopharmaceutical outsourcing and opens a new chapter for healthy lives.